Video number 15. We are back after our lunch break. They came pretty far since our lunch break. I should say late lunch break. They didn't. I don't think they even went on a break. They're making up for Friday when they weren't here Friday. When we have to leave and stop recording, we do it. And that part was taken off. The doors were taken off. There, look at that. Look at that. God, I can't wait to this tomorrow. It's not going to be as windy, period. Windy, period. Trying to spray the water, but it's unable to be done because the wind is pushing in a different direction. Cannot wait till tomorrow when it's not windy at all. I hate windiness. Let me keep me one arm. Actually, I got my hand in my sleeve, so. That's my jacket. Oh my goodness. Interesting. We advise any kids that want to come into this building to stay out of it. You're not welcome in this building. It is no longer a school. It is a building coming down. It is a demolition area, and soon it will be a track and field for the school behind me. Wow, that is crazy. Truck. I upload my videos at night when I have time, more than I do not during the day, because I have running around to do. But every time I do, you guys get notification that I uploaded another video. I put them in order so that way you can tell the order that the demolition was done. Wow. Wow. It's crazy. Look at all those wires. All those wires. Copper wire. It's crazy. People go by here, take pictures. I ran into a school worker that was taking pictures. I introduced myself to him. I said, "Hey, I document. Here's my YouTube channel. Check it out." Good people. I got nothing against anybody in this world. Life's too short to hold grudges. Life's too short to be in a hurry to things. You only live once. That's why I remember learning. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow will be video number 16. Damn. All those bricks. There's gonna be a lot more bricks where that came from. You still got all this school. This is still the elementary part, and then you get to the middle part right there, the older part of it. We do not advise anybody, any kids of any sorts, to be in this building. It is filled, I'm sure, still with asbestos and mold. It is unsafe to be in. That's what demo buildings are. Just because you used to go to school, it doesn't mean you can go into the building at this time at all, actually. It's coming down, and one day, when this is all gone, you'll be able to enjoy a field that they made room for. Oh yeah. Like this excavator is putting stuff into a dump truck. That's in front of it. I just came in not too long ago. Some people come by, take some video, but they don't go long as I do. If I had the means, I'd be here all day. All day until they're done for the day. Because this is very interesting to me, and then, yeah, 2026, the UW campus is bringing down two 1970 buildings that houses right now, houses students during the school. I'll do some video on that for you. If I had to do it in the afternoon after a job, working the morning job, I will. Anything to bring these videos to you guys that are working and can't come by and see what's going on. 2, no longer live in the city of Oshkosh, or the state for that matter. You get to see what all is being done in the Oshkosh. That's why I will never move away from the city/state, because my purpose is documenting. I made it my purpose to keep people informed of this stuff, matter of fact. Switch arms, hands. My right hand was cold, so I had to switch my right with my left. Keep it warm. It's not that windy out, cold out, but it's nothing compared to wintertime. I'm just glad this is getting done before winter, because I would not be one to stand out in the wintertime to document. Dedication, yes. Frostbite, no thank you. No thank you, and the frostbite. And switch hands again. All this is coming down to make way for track and field. And a small memorial is part of that track. Now the sun's trying to come out, and don't let that fool you at all. When it's windy, don't let the sun fool you. It's still cold. Still cold and windy. Bright, bright, bright. Bright as the sun. That's New York, West New York ahead of us. Alright, we're on Kentucky. When they stop, we'll stop. That is crazy. Think about that. Think about this. All the time that they took to build this school, add on to this the middle part of the school, and now years and years later, it comes down. That's crazy. Things change, I adapt. Things come down, go up, I adapt. Doesn't bother me. I don't have that much of a connection with the school. Besides, my class went from Roosevelt School to a classroom in the basement of this place that's connected to the gym area. You build in that pile so you don't see what you're doing later on. That's crazy. Standing for a period of time, yeah, it takes its toll on the lower back. Gotta move my legs a little bit so they don't get stiff on me. Crazy. Oh my gosh, it's almost time for the kids to get out of school. It was 2-something when we pulled up. So, almost it's time for kids to get out of school. So I'm gonna mosey over to this side of the street. I think they're making up for Friday. The reason why they weren't here, they were doing anything Friday was because there's still windows that were waiting to come out. So they had to take all day Friday to have the other people take care of it. It is cold out here. When I get home, at night, I'm relaxing. I upload my videos and sit back and wait for stories to pop up on the comments. I wait, and then I like to read those. Never be afraid to tell me a story of you working at the school or attending the school back in the day. I love hearing stories. That's what I'm about. This fence is around the building for a reason. Not to allow anybody, any age, to walk into the property and take it in. Anybody could get hurt, and it falls back on this company. They do not need fatalities to happen in the buildings that they're bringing down. Everybody had a chance to take advantage of the school when the time came. To take advantage of education. You want to relive the school? Go back on my YouTube channel. I took like 40 minutes, I think, to go through the whole building almost. And it started in the gym that we're standing in front of, that was standing here, sitting here. I started from the elementary side and I went to the middle side. Ran into a lot of old friends and teachers that I used to have. It was interesting. They got a lot of diesel in that vehicle to keep on going. It's trying to pull all those out of the building. Imagine pouring all and a lot of it goes down. He's not doing much of pulling. Let's move down. That looks like he's shutting down. Probably that's all he's gonna do today. Shut down a little bit. I don't know if he's gonna keep on going or what. I guess so. Oh, he's getting that stuff. He's just picking up right now. That's all he's doing. Piece of metal, pipe, money, cha-ching. He's just going through stuff right now, so I don't think he's gonna do anything else. Go on. See a door right there. Can't get in there. This job is probably a good money making job, but here. Come on. I hate when the camera does that with the dang stupid fence. Glad I didn't go anywhere yet. Come on, focus, stupid thing. We got a beam. Come on, stupid thing. I hate looking between the frickin'. Come on. Stupid frickin'. Come on, you pansy. Come on, give me the fucking focus. Focus. Come on, you. Oh my gosh, I hate the stupid fence. I'm gonna go back over where I was before. There you go. He's spraying the water so that keeps the dust down, which is not going to make any difference because it's going to be blowing anywhere. Anyways, because it's Sorry about that. Trying to get myself right in position. Good thing I didn't go nowhere. I would have missed all this. When they're done, I'm done. For the day, that is. Wow, now it's nothing. Now it's nothing. Uh-oh. There goes door frame. There once was. Once was a door frame. When you stand around like I do and watch buildings and stuff, houses come down, you smell the oldness, agingness of the building. It is crazy, stinky old. Very old. Don't worry about that. Finish the rest of what you were doing. Worry about it later. Let me see if I can get over there closer. Alright, let's go this way. Oh yes, I can get you more closer. Between this fence. When I said you guys can put your stories of how your time at the school was, you can also give me feedback and let me know how I'm doing. I love feedback. I love it. It gives me very much satisfaction. I'm doing good and knowing what I'm doing to bring you these videos. It's crazy. It's crazy to watch it happen, but things replace each other. Like this school is going to replace. Dang. This school is going to be replaced with the track and field. The Washington School, elementary school on Winnebago is going to be replaced with habitat houses. Dang. So they're all going to replace each other. Wow, there goes the wall. The hallway that once was. beams are exposed. That's what they like, is beams. Because beams are money to them. It is getting colder every time. Time goes, changes. The weather, when the coldness changes. Coldness changes. My hands get colder. Once they're done, I'm done for today, and I'm back early, bushy tail, ready to go. Bring you more videos to you. Imagine how much money these people get paid for breaking down buildings. Holy cow. Let's go this way. I see something spray painted. Let's check it out. Okay. Whatever that means. Unless they put their name on there, knowing that it was checked by somebody. That's my guess. Alright, now let's go back to the other area. And we're at the stop pretty soon. It's getting cold. It's cold out here. Hey, when I was watching Webster Stanley Middle School come down, I was in the front. It was as close to the sidewalk as it was. Holy cow! I wasn't using I was using glasses, protective eyewear, but man, I had to have my eyes looked at and flushed out. Look at that. The wall is separating. It's like a bathroom or something right there. Oh my goodness. Try to keep my left hand warm while my other one's getting cold. When they stop, like I said, I also stop and I come back the next day. That's why I put them in orders, so we can see it from the beginning to recent. A lot of bricks. They'll be handing you bricks out soon. Not sure when, but I'll get on it and see when that will be. Bricks are being put on the pile, so that's a good thing. Totally good thing. Does anybody want a brick when the time comes? They can come by and pick it up. Wow. Unending bricks. Unending bricks. So got all of that to go, and then they'll get to the middle part of the front of the part of the building. Oh my gosh! Imagine how that is going to be. Oh, this would be it. Nothing here at all. So yeah, it's crazy. Oh my gosh. I got gloves, but it doesn't help me when I'm holding my phone and or stopping with the finger, because it's not going through to this screen. Today is the last day, hopefully, for a while. We have the wind. Tomorrow is 46, I think, and no wind. Can't wait. are you doing? What are you doing? Wow. Bricks galore. All the way down that way. Damn. I'll be right back. Warning, 24-hour surveillance, no trespassing. Kids have been trespassing into this building, which they are not allowed to do. Because if they get hurt, this company is reliable for that, and it's all over the fences. I feel that they're going to be shutting down pretty soon. They came a long way to make up for Friday. So they're just cleaning the area and getting ready for the next one. I gotta go back over here. Damn! They're not done yet. The heck was that? I couldn't tell what that was. It looked fat, and it was, I don't know, it's hard to say. Dang. Crazy. Trying to get all the stuff up out of the ground. I think they're gonna wrap it up soon. Kids are getting out of school, right now, little by little, and getting darker earlier because of daylight savings time. Oh my goodness. Holding that phone with my left hand. Can't wait to go get done. Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop? I enjoy bringing these videos to you. Yeah, it's getting to that time. But time for them to wrap it up, and me to wrap it up for the day soon. As soon as they wrap up, like I said, I wrap up, and I go back home, relax, watch some wrestling, and enjoy myself, and upload these videos so you guys can see it when you get your notifications. School's about to be lit up pretty soon. So they usually stop when school is done sometimes. So very, very, very interesting. Like I said, let me know any stories you may have about attending the school or teaching at the school. Love reading stories. And yeah. If you have any feedback, I'd appreciate it. That'd be cool. How am I doing on these videos? I can't do tripod right now because it's too windy out. With fall comes windiness, so yeah. I see somebody with a backpack on. He's like, he's gonna take off too. These two excavators are trying to figure out what's next step to do. Let's take a look. They're probably getting acknowledgement of how the structure is and stuff like that, which way they should go in. I think they should go make sure exactly how the way they're going. The way they're going in is fine. The way they're doing it right now is fine. Get the structure at a time, get in there, knock the walls out, move to the next one, and do it like all the way down. Oh my goodness. Talking about strategy. My wife was messaging me about asking for bricks. I'm like, nope. Because if I get bricks, people behind me waiting for the kids to get out of Val Phillips school is going to want bricks too. And I'm not going to start a chaos. I'll wait and get the bricks when they do it. See, or green sweatshirts. They're probably looking over the area, see what their next move is going to be tomorrow, because they're almost time for winding down. So, very interesting to watch things like this. For me, anyways, I think it's interesting. I started with Robin's restaurant coming down on Oshkosh Ave in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, my neck of the woods. And I figured, hey, this is interesting. Let's continue doing this. So that's what I started with in 2018. I started with the Robin's restaurant, family restaurant, coming down. It was at 1810 Oshkosh Ave. So that was very interesting. Very interesting as heck to see it happen. I'm going to pause for here. I'm going to wrap up video number 15. Until then, right now they're just deciding what's next to happen. Probably tomorrow. Until then, see you later.